Well, here we have an 18-wheeler. It's got an electric motor in it. That's the cooling tower right there. Here's the electric motor. There's the alternator. And there's the pulley. What we're going to do, come around here, show you some neat little stuff. We have a 12-volt truck battery right here. We got the one positive right here going in here to this switch, going here to these little wires that are hooked up to the motor. And the little wires like this are the field circuit wires, and the big giant fat wires are the armature wires. And then here's the negative running back to the battery right there. Well, if you look at that alternator, and we look over here, we see the yoke and everything sitting there. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to fire this bad boy up. There we go. Now see it turning? There's the alternator spinning. There's the little yoke spinning. So on and so forth. See how that works? That's this big motor spinning, because this thing is turned on now. It's all coming out of here. Then we're going to go take another better look down here at the bottom. Take a better look at this thing spinning. See, there we are. We got this right here was hooked up to the shaft, and here is the alternator. And here's the back of the alternator, and there are the wires going to the battery box, which is right down there. So it keeps it charged up. And here is the piece that hooks up to the transmission. And under here is a fan blade in there. You can see it spinning. Then back over here we have this, and this right here attaches to the that's the transmission, and then from the transmission to the drive line back there in the back. And so basically that's how it's going to work. This is an Allison HT 750 CRD transmission. It's a fully automatic 5-speed transmission with a torque converter in the front. And this right here is going to run that transmission. And there it is running. And there's a better picture of him. See how that works? And that's it. That's how the 12-volt system gets charged up. Anyway, that's basically it. Turn it off now. And there she goes. She's slowing down. And there you have it. All the little switches and little buttons. 12-volt truck battery. It's not going to run on the truck battery, but this is to test it and to run it in to make sure that belt was aligned up. See? And the belt's lined up and everything's all tensioned and up and ready to go. And basically that's it, really. First electric 18-wheeler I've ever seen. Believe me, if there was a bunch of these on the road already, there'd be a bunch of hubbub about it and everybody'd be talking about it. And that's just the way it is. Plus, we've not only that, we've got this electric pickup truck here. And if you look right here, we've got this. These are the wires that come out of the battery bank, and those are the batteries. There's 48 of them. Here's the charger. It's on right now. You can see the little red blinking light. The little red blinking light means it's charging. That right there is the battery management system, and there's the little button. These are all the gauges. Amp gauges and meters and things like that. We're going to come around and look here, and we're going to see these. This is the controller. It's a Zilla controller. There's motor 1. There's the alternator. And there's another motor right there. They're daisy chained together. There's the contactors and switches and the wires going in there. A little 12-volt system right there. And that's one motor right there. It's called a net gain 9-inch motor. You can buy them all day long. Real easy to spend money on. And there's the front of it right there, and there's the side of it. And it's just a regular old pickup truck like any other, and that's pretty much it, really. And there's the other side of the little fella right there. And there's the extension cord. It goes in and gets plugged in and plugs in right there. And that's basically it. So we got a electric pickup truck. Here's a battery pack. A whole pallet. And then here's another net gain 9-inch motor. I've got 2 of these in that black pickup truck. These are the Transformer 1 and Transformer 2 for the charger to charge up the 18-wheeler. It'll also charge up the little pickup truck. Here's the transmission cooler. That'll handle 100,000 BTUs of power. And this is the old diesel engine that came out of the Mack truck, old mechanical engine. And basically that's it. So anyway, if you need an electric motor, I can sell these motors all day long without any shipping or tax, delivered anywhere in the United States. So thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.